Honesty, displaying male's deep, far-carrying, booming notes, are the trio of Jordan Wong, Jeremy Wong, and Will Riker.
Welcome to Pumping Up with Hans and Franz, the informative training program for the serious weightlifter.
All right, everybody, thank you and welcome back to the show with your favorites, Hans and Franz. Now, once again, I'm Hans.
And I'm Franz.
And we are here to pump you up. All right.
You guys are probably wondering why we look so young.
So young.
After 20 years.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But the new Bay Bridge didn't build itself. Tonight, let me introduce to you our first guest.
Who is totally not as pumped up
As we are. The great Prairie Chicken.
Or the Timbanchi Scoopito, if you're feeling scientific.
Well, Franz, I didn't know your brain muscles were as perfectly formed as your pectoral muscles.
Thank you, Hans. So, what seems to be the problem, my tiny chicken friend?
Out in the grassy fields of the Midwest, it's almost mating season. But the lady chicks don't like my muscle.
Oh, yeah. Those great prairie chicks don't like mating with any weak little chickens. That's why you're almost extinct.
Well, because of human threats and pollution, there's only like 1,000 of us left.
Beauty chicken. I can bench press more than 1,000.
So, little chicken, hear me now and believe me later. There are some things that you're going to need to know if you want to impress the girly chicks.
First, you're going to need to show off your muscles.
Show us what you got, little chicken.
I've got an extraordinary weight of 1,200 grams. A height of 43 centimeters. A manly diet of grasshoppers and seeds. And of course, very contoured muscle.
Beauty chicken. You call those muscles? No. If you really want to impress the girly chicks, you're gonna have to work out. Watch out.
Yeah, everybody, watch this beautiful muscle here. All right, get ready. Oh, yeah. No, you're not dreaming. Wake up and smell the muscle.
Stop making your man.
Hey, let me try.
All right, come on. Yeah, it's a bend and a flex, All right, not bad, honey little chicken, not bad. So what's next?
Next, you're going to need to show off your body.
Oh yeah, them great prairie chicks love the fancy footwork.
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah, it's okay. But finally, you're going to need to show it. Your big, manly mating call, yeah. Like this.